Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and do click that notification button for more updates. Thank you. Our Limpopo artist guys, Okarishma, has been involved in a car accident in Polokwane Friday morning guys. It was said that one person was reported dead. The accident happened on a busy corner and Magazine Street where the primary schools of Pimps is guys. So guys, it has been said that the person who passed away was Karishma's driver. So guys, if I can take you back, I don't know what's wrong or what's happening. Maybe it's just things happening. But last year around 10 August, Karishma was involved in a car accident near Sidikelela filling station on R37 in Ragwetse, Greater Tubetse's Kukuni district. So guys, then it was reported that multiple people were injured. So guys, this is not the first time Okarishma ever part with car accident. And is there something wrong happening? Cause guys, in life you have to stay focused, do certain things to stay alive. Because jealous and people can go extra length to get you out of the way. Guys, there are people who are waiting for Karishma's downfall and they'll do whatever it takes to go to Karishma. But anyway guys, because of God and Karishma's ancestors, somehow she always ends up okay and fine, and we thank God for that. But it's said that we lost a soul that didn't deserve to leave this world so early, guys. Remember, guys, death is something that is unpredictable and it can happen anytime, but no one deserves to die. But anyway, guys, may his precious soul rest in peace and may his family and friends find the strength to get through this in these trying times. And please, guys, do subscribe below, and please, guys, do comment below.